How to Make Easy Microwave Fudge by Michaela Gilmore. Things you'll need: a bowl, a square pan, aluminum foil, and some ham. Ingredients: a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk and 3 cups of any milk chocolate. And sprinkles, if you want, they're optional. Step 1. Pour the sweetened condensed milk into the bowl. Step 2. Pour the 3 cups of chocolate chips into the bowl. Step 3. Stir the 2 ingredients together. Step 4. Microwave the mix on high for 1 minute. After a minute, stir the mixture. It can be difficult to stir, but keep on stirring. Stirring can get very hard, but keep stirring until it gets like this. Step 6. Line an 8x8 pan with aluminum foil. Step 7. Spray the foil with some ham. Step 8. Put the fudge in the pan and then spread it. After spreading it, step number 9 is optional. Put the sprinkles in the pan. Step 10. Put the fudge in the fridge for 2 hours. Step 11. Take fudge out of the pan and then peel the foil away. Step 12. Cut the fudge into small pieces. You may want to ask your parents first. Step 13. Enjoy!